From parents to city officials, many don't have the best answer on how to curb teen violence in Nashville. But Davidson County's juvenile court judge tells News Channel 5's Brandon Marshall she believes her plan could help.
Crime in Davidson County concerns many, especially when it involves our youth. Already this year, police arrested 32 minors ages 12 to 17 on felony and misdemeanor charges. Judge Sheila Galloway believes a new detention center with assessment facility would drastically reduce crime.
So this is the intake room.
When police arrest a youth, they first take them to the juvenile detention center. Galloway says there are only 3 cells for processing. On a busy day, repeated runaways are first kept with alleged murder suspects.
If we were able to have additional respite space and an assessment center as part of the juvenile court building, that would make a difference for a lot of the children that we serve.
In 2016, she proposed the Bridge Project, a plan that would provide a bigger center, 24-hour assessment facility, and more beds. Today, funding still is not budgeted.
Of course, we're not doing all that we can. There's always more that we could do. We have to build capacity, and part of that building capacity is making sure that we're bringing programs together, we're collaborating.
Juvenile court clerk Lionel Matthews says currently, repeated runaways can only stay in the intake room at the detention center for up to 24 hours. If parents do not pick them up, DCS takes over. Galloway says that helps no one.
We also have a lot of parents who have hit that point where they're a little frustrated with their child and they need help and they need it's a moment away or they need some time. The only options that we have right now are at the Oasis Center, and they do an absolutely wonderful job with their respite center, but after that, there's nothing for our youth.
The plan for a new center exists.
This is a need. It's not just a want, but it is definitely a need for our youth and the families that we serve.
The next steps, get funding and find a new location. In Nashville, Brandon Marshall, News Channel 5.
Last year, Metro's Juvenile Crime Task Force confiscated 187 firearms and recovered 158 stolen vehicles.